how important is an easy to read product title? And we did this on a scale of 1 to 10 across all of the buyers that we surveyed, and we got an average of 7.5. So having an easy to read, easy to understand title is something that's extremely important. And this is the first big mistake that I see a lot of Etsy sellers making. And I know you've seen this as well, Scott. People just try to shove in all of the different keywords and it says Halloween, Halloween, Halloween t-shirt, Halloween pumpkin, right? Or something like that. And while that is a readable title from a computer standpoint, and you've gotten the word Halloween in there, it's not exactly a human readable title. And buyers are telling us that being able to understand the title is one of the first things that they really look at. And to back that up a little bit, we wanted to dive a little bit deeper. And we saw that 1% of people said they never even look at the title. 31% of people said they only sometimes read the title. 68% of the people said that they always read the title. And remember, they're also telling us that this has to be something that they can read and understand in order for them to buy, right? An 8 out of 10 on how likely they are to make that an important factor. 68% of people are always reading the title. They want it to be human readable. So when you're going in, you're creating your titles on Etsy, make sure, yes, you want to have your keywords in there, but write it in a way that a human being can understand, and you're not just trying to shove all of the keywords in there.
So many people think that they have to cram a whole bunch of keywords in that title. And the thing is you don't. Okay. You want that 1 or 2 keywords that you're going after. That's the number one thing. After that, yes, put them in where they make sense. But we know now also that tags are being used to get indexed for being searched on Etsy. Okay. We know that because inside of Etsy, when you go into your ads manager, they're now saying, hey, you should probably use these tags because it's going to help you have more exposure. So they're literally telling us that tags do help you get found. So don't worry about cramming in every last keyword in the title. You want it to be readable. It also looks nicer. So that's what that's what I would recommend there. So anyone that's thinking about, like titles or like, I got to cram everything in there, you don't. Okay. So go ahead, Chris.
I would say the other thing that we know based on how the Etsy SEO algorithm works is that we don't have to repeat keywords even in the tags, right? If it's in our title, if it's in our description, if it's in our tag somewhere, we pass that swipe left, swipe right Tinder test that Etsy has to say, does this make sense to show to somebody? And then we have to worry about the rest of the Etsy SEO algorithm after we've gotten that keyword or keyword phrase in there one time. And the buyer data is telling us that if we can make this human readable, then that is something that's going to massively influence purchase decisions. And I would rather have people buying my stuff than potentially rank 1% better and have no one be able to buy it.